If you're considering Ivacy VPN, there are 12 key things you need to know before buying it. While Ivacy competes with well-known VPNs like NordVPN and ExpressVPN, it's important to dive into the details to see if it really holds up. So, let's break down what makes Ivacy stand out and what might make you think twice before committing. First up, Ivacy offers a wide range of server locations. Unlike some competitors, Ivacy provides over 3,500 servers across 100 plus countries. This gives you the flexibility to choose from a solid pool of locations, whether you're bypassing geo restrictions or just securing your online traffic. Next thing, let's talk about speeds. Ivacy's performance can be hit or miss depending on where you connect, but it does generally offer decent speeds for browsing and streaming. It might not reach the blazing speeds of ExpressVPN or NordVPN, but it's competitive enough for most users, especially considering the cost savings. The third thing, Ivacy provides good encryption protocols with AES 256, which is standard for top-tier VPNs. This means your data is well protected, making it a solid choice for securing your online activity from hackers and surveillance. If privacy is your priority, Ivacy does a good job in this area, similar to premium options like NordVPN. Now let's talk about streaming. Ivacy can unblock Netflix, BBC iPlayer, and other services. However, don't expect it to perform at the same level as ExpressVPN, which is often more consistent when it comes to bypassing geographic restrictions. Still, for the price, Ivacy is a decent contender in terms of unblocking content. The fifth thing, Ivacy allows for simultaneous connections on up to 10 devices. This is higher than some of its competitors, like NordVPN, which offers 6 simultaneous connections. So, if you need to cover a lot of devices, Ivacy gives you more flexibility without extra cost. The sixth thing you should know is that Ivacy doesn't have the best customer support. While they offer 24/7 live chat, responses can sometimes be slow, and solutions may not always be as fast or as efficient as what you'd get from top-tier providers like CyberGhost or ExpressVPN. Next thing to consider is the pricing. Ivacy is quite affordable compared to competitors like NordVPN and ExpressVPN, especially if you opt for a long-term plan. This makes it an appealing option if you're on a budget but still want a reliable VPN. The eighth thing, Ivacy offers a kill switch, which is essential for maintaining your privacy in case the VPN connection drops. However, it doesn't always work flawlessly, with some users reporting issues. This is something you might not experience with premium VPNs like ExpressVPN, where the kill switch is known for being more reliable. The ninth thing to note is Ivacy's app interface. While it's functional, it isn't as sleek or user-friendly as other VPN apps like NordVPN. However, it's still relatively straightforward, and you'll get the hang of it quickly once you start using it. The 10th thing is the no logs policy. Ivacy claims it doesn't log your activity, and it's been independently audited to verify that claim. This is similar to other high-end VPN providers like ExpressVPN, which also has a strong no logs policy that can provide peace of mind when it comes to privacy. The 11th thing, Ivacy offers a 30-day money-back guarantee. While this is pretty standard, it's worth mentioning because it means you can test out the service risk-free and see if it fits your needs. Finally, while Ivacy is a solid VPN with good pricing, decent speeds, and strong encryption, if you're looking for a more consistent streaming experience, faster speeds, or a more responsive customer support team, you might want to consider alternatives like NordVPN or ExpressVPN. But if you're happy with good enough performance for a low price, Ivacy is a solid option for most users. If you want to explore better options, check out our recommended VPN solution, which you can try for free. You can decide after testing it yourself, but it's worth considering if you need a more premium experience.